Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be fixing the SEO for this listing from Black Lace Jewelry. Thank you so much for offering up your listing in the Facebook group. If you'd like to join the Facebook group where you can learn and grow your handmade business, your Etsy shop, wherever you sell, check the links in the description. Okay, so right here I see we have a vampire ring. It's silver. Okay. Let's look for any other details here. All right. And the tags that she's already using. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to be doing basically is I have this right here. I'm going to act like I'm making a new listing. Okay. So first off, let's go and compare some information here. Oh, sorry. I should have already been logged in, right? Okay, let's do a comparison. Let's just see vampire fangs, fang ring, vampire ring. I do this first just to get a general idea, like how many people are searching for the actual term vampire, and then you can hone it down. So we'll wait. All right, well, that's pretty good right here. Over 1,000 people a month are searching the term vampire. Only 88 people for vampire fangs. But look here, 306 searches per month, 268 engagement. Not much competition. Look at the competition here though. All right, so now with this vampire ring, you would also rank for the term vampire. Maybe not right off the bat, but eventually. If you get enough sales and favorites, excuse me, eventually you will start ranking for that. And like I said in the very first video, Etsy search is now personalized to the individual user. So we never really know where we're going to show up, but we do want to use the best keywords as possible. All right, so I know for sure I want to use vampire ring. And then we'll check out fangs. Okay, so I'm gonna start this off. Vampire ring. Okay, I like to make it as readable as possible because remember we are, showing our listings for humans, so we want to make it legible. Okay, vampire ring. What else did she have here? Definitely, we're gonna look into goth and gothic. All right, vampire jewelry. So just to give you an example, I'm actually going to see what the ranking is for vampire jewelry. Because if it's not a term that's widely used, you can't expect much in return for it. So let's just check that out. Goth ring, gothic ring, and we'll try goth jewelry. Okay, vampire jewelry, only 100 searches a month. That's really not bad. It really isn't. Now here you can see more people are engaging than they are searching, so it is active. Not too much competition. Okay, so gothic ring is definitely one that we want to use here. Now, with the new algorithm, this is interesting to note, you don't need to be repeating your keywords over and over and over, like vampire ring, vampire jewelry, vampire this or that. You don't need to do it anymore. What you want to do is kind of mix up the keywords and get them in there in a legible form. And then I'll show you what we're going to do with the tags, and that'll start to make more sense. Okay, so I like to get a feel for it because we want to describe it as accurately as possible. So what did we decide on here? Gothic ring. Okay, so look here. These are two completely different terms. Gothic ring, goth jewelry. Even though that's a lot of competition, you never know what might happen, and I would shove it in there. I definitely would. Gothic ring. Oops, can't spell. Gothic ring. And what was that? Goth jewelry. Okay. goth jewelry. Okay, let's see what else here. Let's see. Sometimes it's very difficult to find your best keywords. You could be sitting there for a long time thinking about it. Okay, sterling silver. Let's see. What else? Bang jewelry, teeth jewelry. Let me see what teeth jewelry looks like. Teeth jewelry. Fangs. And we know vampire was good. I'm gonna check those two really quick. This is quite a difficult listing because it is so niche that it's very hard to go broad with this one. Okay, not much for teeth jewelry, but fangs, that's, yeah, definitely fangs. Okay. I'm gonna shove that right in there just so, you know, people can see that better. Okay, goth jewelry. And I'm going to stick sterling silver in there. Now, here's the thing with the new algorithm. All right, so say somebody searches vampire jewelry. Well, we have vampire ring, right? So we're not gonna show up. Not true. It will take vampire and cram it in with jewelry, okay? And you can rank for that. Any combination of these, you are gonna show up for somewhere in search, you know, depending on what they're searching for. I see some of the craziest keywords show up in my statistics, and they're keywords I don't even have together. So I know this is to be true. And in a future video, I'm gonna prove to you that it's the same way with your tags when it comes to promoted listings. Promoted listings is an awesome way to find out what's actually converting. So that will definitely be a future video. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it for there. I mean, we don't really need to stuff it with anything. It's very specific. But what I'm gonna do is come down here into, oh, they keep changing this around, tags. Okay, so first off, I like to keep it the same in order in the beginning, okay? Fangs, gothic ring. So notice how I'm going in order. Goth jewelry, sterling silver. Okay, now, when you run out of defining keywords, meaning, okay, I think we've pretty much stated what this is, we can also think about who it's for. All right, so I know for sure some witchy ladies would love that, especially this term, witchy woman. I love that one. We can also go for pagan, Wiccan, and I already know these are good for this listing, but I want to show my process here. What I like to do is keep a list of really good keywords so that I can use them in future listings. I haven't seen those listings forever because I use them so much that I've memorized them all, but these are all really good, and I'm just going to stuff those in. Now we can stuff our tags. We don't want to stuff our title. So witchy, okay, woman, witchcraft, Wicca. Now, don't worry about shoving more than one into the tag. In a future video, I'm going to show you why. But like I said, Etsy's going to grab from here, from there, and stuff it all together anyways. You could put completely unrelated terms in there. It's not going to hurt. It's only going to help. Okay, what do we have here? Pagan. Let's do Wiccan. Let's do fashion. What else can we do here? I'm going to put in, what's that term? Statement ring. I mean, we already have ring in here. It's okay though. Statement ring. Occult for sure. Okay. What else? Occult. Okay. Now there is 3 left. I can't at the top of my head think of any more. For the video's sake, I don't want to take up any more time. We're already 10 minutes in here. But you can see here, this is what I think will work very well. So black lace, go ahead and copy all this and copy your listing, don't edit it, okay? And you can, well, the reason I say that is that if you change your listing and it's selling as it is, it can hurt your SEO, the algorithm, your ranking. So what you want to do is copy the listing. So you're making a brand new listing with the same product, but you're using the different titles and tags. And then give it about 2 weeks to a month, and you can compare your results and see how you're ranking with both listings. All right. So possibly the next video we'll be going over the promoted listings SEO, and that will be a very juicy one. So stay tuned for that. If you like what you're seeing here, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.